This is the most boring video that you're gonna watch. It's literally just me taking this 10-kilo bag and filling up other containers of flour so it's more accessible. But what I feel is important here is the message. And it's ignoring this message that I find gets a lot of people into trouble with clutter. It's something that can be really difficult to do, but once you get into the mindset of this, it can make your life much easier. And that really is just to make do. Make do with what you have. I bought this giant 10-kilo bag of flour from Costco. And I don't like keeping the flour in this bag once I open it, so I like to put it into other containers. I just didn't have enough giant containers to fill it into. So instead of going out and buying more containers that I really don't need, I just made do with what we had already. That nice one that says flour, that's the one that I keep in my kitchen pantry, and that's the one I'll refill as needed. The other containers are random kind of Tupperware containers that I had that were a good size. We actually have a really good container for this, but it's currently kind of like wedged into our ceiling, holding up a leak. So obviously I couldn't use that. And then once I ran out of containers, I just used some bags because I use what I have and I make do with what I have. This is something that I see often with clients that I go and help declutter and organize, and other videos that I see here on TikTok or Instagram with people struggling with clutter. We tend to have this kind of consumerism mindset where if we need something, we just go out and buy it. And the truth is that most of the time we really can make do with what we have and we don't need other stuff. Will it be exactly the same? No. Would it have been a little bit easier if I had an actual funnel to pour all of my flour into? Sure. And giant containers? Sure. But I made do with what I have, and now I don't have more clutter coming into my home. It's not perfect, but it's fine.